Good morning, everybody. I know I usually don't talk in these videos, but this is the last and final get ready with me for the semester, so I want to take this moment to thank you guys for all your love and support on all of my platforms here on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. So one semester closer to degree, I'm so excited, but it's going to be just a fun and simple cute look today. But yeah, so without further ado, let's start getting ready. Bye. Mwah. with that, this is the final get ready with me for the semester. Thank you guys so much for watching, but we did it. But this is the final look. Super cute. It really ties in that yellow from my Gudetama shirts. I will be wearing my lucky Crocs for good luck on my final exams, but to all my students that are also taking final exams, good luck, besties. We will pass and we will be one semester closer to a degree. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and until next semester, bye. Mwah.